being unreasonable. It's not neighbourly. What we're trying to be neighbourly about these things. So you keep your Wi-Fi within the house, lock the windows, close the door, seal up the letterbox, but anything that comes out through the walls is public.
But it's not public though, is it?
Hello guys, magandang gabi po sa lahat. This is my Simple Journey TV. So ayun, ito naman tayo sa panibagong reaction video natin guys. Dito sa isang foreigner na kung saan nagrereklamo siya kung bakit nilagyan ng password ang wifi ng kapitbahay niya kung saan siya nakakonek. Dahil sinasabi nga niya na almost 2 years na daw siyang gumagamit ng wifi na yan at masaya siya. At ang ikinagagalit niya at bakit nilagyan ng password. So ayun na nga guys, bago natin to sisimulan, panoorin muna natin to. At sa mga bago pa lang sa aking channel guys, paki-comment, like, and share sa ating mga videos at paki-subscribe na rin po to support sa mga katulad namin mga bagong content creator. So ayun na guys, paki-hit na rin po sa ating notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga bagong videos. So ayun na nga guys, let's do this!
Hey.
I live next door. I've got problems with the Wi-Fi.
Okay, so why are you here to me?
Well, it's your Wi-Fi, isn't it? Have you done something?
Okay, but I've not got a problem with my Wi-Fi.
Well, I've got problems with your Wi-Fi. You've put a password on it.
What do you mean?
Look, how long?
So ayun na nga guys, nagulat yung may-ari eh. What do you mean? Sabi nung may-ari kasi daw tagal na daw ginagamit niya yun eh, tapos nilagyan mo ng password eh, ikaw naman eh. So okay, patuloy tayo guys.
I've been here now. I've been here 2 years. I've happily used the Wi-Fi, and now I see that you've put a password on it, and I can't use it. I think you're...
So ayun na nga guys, 2 years na daw siyang nakatira dyan. So ibig sabihin 2 years na daw niyang ginagamit ang iyong wifi at masaya daw siya dun, nakagagamit siya ng wifi mo. The problem is, bakit mo daw nilagyan ng password ngayon? Hindi na daw siya maka-access ng iyong wifi.
being unreasonable.
At magiging unreasonable ka pa.
Sorry. Wait, what? What did you say?
Look, it's very simple. You have Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah,
I've been
Wi-Fi, yeah.
Yeah, right. Well, I've been happily using your Wi-Fi now for a couple of years, and all of a sudden you put a password on it, and I've got no access. I tell you what, you let me have your password, and that's the end of the problem.
So ayun na nga guys, ito na nga yung nakikikonek, nakikikabit, ito pa yung mayroong tinatawag natin na pagpipilian. May pagpipilian ka ba? Ang sabi niya kasi, ibigay mo na lang sa akin yung password mo at para matapos ang problema natin. So ayun na nga guys, kung ikaw ang kapitbahay nito guys, ano kaya ang gagawin mo guys? Magpatuloy tayo.
Yeah, but hold a minute. You've been using my Wi-Fi.
Well, I don't know how much of your Wi-Fi it is. I mean, you know, it's a signal, isn't it? Right? Well, the signal doesn't remain just within your four walls. So what comes out here is public. It's on public property, right? It's public. So I can use the signal.
Okay, but now you can't because I put a password on it.
Yeah, that's it. That's exactly right. So look, there's two things we can do. One is, and I think the easiest thing is, let me have your password. Or, of course, you can always remove your password. I mean, it's just pretty easy, really. Simple as that. And that would solve the problem for both of us, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but the thing is, though, is, like, I'm paying for it. And, like, why... Yeah, but the thing is that, like, okay, so I put password on it. Yeah, I put password on it because my Wi-Fi was being really slow. And my broadband suggested for me to put a password on it to make it faster. But obviously, because they thought other people were using it, and coincidentally, someone else was using it.
No, I think that's very unreasonable. I mean,
That was unreasonable.
there's got to be
My
a
Wi-Fi
bit
was
of
being
give
slow
and,
because someone else was using it, and coincidentally, it was you who was using it.
well, it was probably me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've established that. And then my Wi-Fi was being slower inside my house, so my broadband suggested
Well,
you put password on it.
look, I don't mind how slow it runs. Actually,
Wala daw siyang pakialam. I don't mind kung gaano daw kahina yung wifi mo. So,
No. I
get on with
understand that
my-
you don't mind how slow it runs, but I do.
Well, okay, but that's the Wi-Fi within your house. What about the Wi-Fi that's coming out the walls? And that's what I'm using. I don't mind how slow that runs. It's good enough for me.
Yeah, but like, what I'm trying to say is that Wi-Fi is still mine.
Well, okay, if you want to use some of it, I mean, you can sit in your garden and you can use the Wi-Fi there. I don't mind. But if you've got a lot of work to do, maybe you can let me know that you're using it so that, it doesn't interfere with the downloading.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying like right now I put a password on it, so then like now it's just mine.
Yeah, well, you can't, I'm sorry, Fruit, but you're being...
bakit ang ulo ko, ano ba yan? Kayo guys, pag ito ang nagiging kapitbahay nyo guys, anong gagawin nyo? Sasakit ang ulo nyo guys, kasi kung sino pa yung nakikitap lang ng wifi, siya pa yung galit. Dito talaga ako natawa guys. Ito guys. Dapat daw, yung wifi mo, pag nasa loob ng bahay mo, pag nasa loob ng kwarto mo, sa'yo yun. Pero pag lumabas na ng bintana, pag lumabas na daw ng pintuan, sa kanya na yun, dahil public yun. Grabe guys. Hindi talaga po makamove nito guys. Sakit ng ulo ko guys. So, ayun guys, just for fun lang. Natutuwa lang ako dahil may kapitbahay siyang ganun. Dapat daw ipamahagi yung wifi kasi hindi daw yun parang hindi kayo nakikisama sa kapitbahay. Sipin mo yan guys. 2 taon na daw niyang ginagamit yung wifi ng libre. Nagulat yung mayari. Bakit? Ang bagal ng wifi ko. Kaya pinalagyan ng password. Ngayon nung nilagyan na, nalaman na niya na ito pala gumagamit. So ayun guys. Sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, subscribe naman. Comment and like. Abangan natin yung mga reaction videos natin. Random videos lang to guys ha. Magbibigay lang tayo ng mga reaction. Kasi